Today I will explain in this video Lenovo IdeaPad 3. So let's go to the video.
Lenovo IdeaPad 3, a tad bit cheaper but faster than the Asus VivoBook 15, the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 will take you through your rough work patches more smoothly than ever. The 14 FHD screen is absolutely a treat to the eyes. Imagine the 1080p resolution packed in a 14 screen where you get more pixels per square inch. The result is always magnificent with radiant colors, smooth operation, and screen pixel density. Its thin bezels take this experience to a whole new level as you get to have more of it than what the width of the laptop allows. The viewing angles are, thus, larger than expectations. It is run by the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor with 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD. The storage is low as compared to the price you're paying, but I have no qualms in accepting the satisfactory performance of Ryzen 5. Don't be fooled by the AMD Ryzen 5 series. In this one BS, the Ryzen 7 series and the Asus VivoBook 15. That's because the Ryzen 5 5500U outperforms the Ryzen 7 3500U. It's evident from their respective CPU marks of 13,238 and 7,346, respectively. With 12 threads and 6 cores, the laptop will easily ace multitasking by running graphics and power-intensive applications, along with tens of Chrome browsers. With 50% brightness and normal use, the battery lasts for about 8 hours, which is more than enough of what you're paying for. At 3.1 pounds, the unit is as portable as you want it to be. No problem in that regard. Even the product dimensions of 12.76x 8.49x 0.78 inches fit well in a regular bag.
So this is Lenovo IdeaPad 3 review. I hope like this. So we like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.